Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a question that many of you have been asking: how to delete your Spotify account. Whether you're switching to a different music streaming service or just taking a break from Spotify, I'm here to guide you through the process. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, open a web browser and go to accounts.spotify.com and log in to your account. Unfortunately, you can't delete your account from the mobile app. Once you're logged in, tap on the Account Overview option. Now scroll down and look for the Spotify Support option and tap on it. Now look for the Account Help option and click on it. Here, you'll see a few different options, but what you're looking for is the Account Settings button. Tap on Account Settings button. Under Account Settings, look for the option Closing Your Account and Deleting Your Data, and tap on it. Now, if you have Premium, then tap on Close Your Account and Delete Your Data under Got Premium option. Or if you don't have Premium, then tap on Close Your Account and Delete Your Data, but under Don't Have Premium option. Now scroll down and tap on the Continue to Close Account option, and Spotify will ask you to confirm your decision. They'll also give you some information about what will happen to your account and your data once it's closed. Take a moment to review this information carefully. Then check the box on the bottom left of your screen. Then click on Continue to Close Account. Now Spotify will email you on the registered email. To delete your account, head over to the email and then click on Close My Account button. Spotify will log you out of your account, and your account will be scheduled for deletion. It's important to note that your account won't be deleted immediately. Spotify gives you a grace period of about 7 days in case you change your mind. During this grace period, your account will be inactive, but you can still reactivate it if you decide to keep using Spotify. However, if you're sure about deleting your account, just sit back and wait for the magic to happen. And that's all there is to it. Deleting your Spotify account is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.